everybody. Welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video, I am going to start with the practical implementations of Java. So, we have already installed the Atom software into our system, as you must have watched the previous video. So, today I have already installed Atom here, and I am just going to open it. I have also created one folder in my system with the name Java 19 underscore Framework Educational Hub. Inside this folder, I am going to save all the programs of this playlist. Here I am going in this folder and I am also creating programs folder. It's my own perspective and wish to create it. It's completely up to you that where you want to save your programs. I will save all the programs here. I am just going inside this folder now. You can see now like documents inside that I have created Java 1, inside that I have created Java 19. It's completely up to you that where you want to save your programs. I am saving it here. So I will set the path here. In this video, I will tell you that how you can set the path of Java. There are two different ways. One way when you simply temporarily set the path, and one is simply when you permanently set the path. In this video, I will tell you that how you can temporary setting of the path you can do. So here I have just reached towards the path. You can see where you want to set the path of Java. Like I will be saving all my files here. So here I am going to set the path. So I am just selecting this path you can see on the address bar and I am typing CMD. This is the shortcut way. And just press enter so the command prompt will be opened. I want to set the path on this folder. So I have opened the command prompt here. You can see the same folder is opened here. Now, because I want to set the path of Java, so I have to reach there. I am just going towards the C drive because my Java is installed here. In the program files, then in the Java, then JDK 19, then Win, and then you can see this particular path is available. You have to copy this path. Just copy this by Control C, or you can right click on it and press copy. You have to copy this path. Then here on the command prompt, you have to type set space path equal mod path mod or the percent symbol semicolon and then paste the path which you have copied, press semicolon, enter. Then you have to, like your path is set. Now to check that your path is set properly, you have to press type Java C and enter. So if the long listing is coming, that means that your path is set properly. So congratulations to you also if you are doing this along with me, because our path is set. CLS to clear the screen. But our path is now set on this folder. So I will be simply creating all the programs inside this folder. You can set your path on any particular folder wherever you want to create your programs and save it. And now I am just going to open this Atom here. So here you can see nothing is here, no folder and all. Welcome screen is coming. When you will be installing Atom and you will be opening the Atom, so this will be the first screen which will be coming. You can use VS Code or Sublime or Notepad++. I will never suggest to go with Notepad++. Don't go with it. You can use these IDEs, or these are not the IDEs, but these are the code editors or the text editors which you can convert into the code editors with the extensions and all. So these are good softwares which you can use. In the previous video, I have already told about them in detail. So you can watch that video if you have missed it. Now I'm just going to close this ternary and welcome and this all. And you can open your folder. So either you can add folder from here or you can go from here to open folder. I am going towards the folder which I have created. You can see Java 19 and inside that this programs. So this Java 19 folder I am selecting and I am opening it here. You can see my project folder is opened here. You can see Java 19 underscore Framework Educational Hub. Inside that the folder programs has been created. This is the way that how you can load your folder here to open your project folder here. Now you can simply create a new Java file. So I'm just pressing Control N and Control N, or you can simply right click here. So new file option come here, which is shortcut key A. You can use any of them. The extension of any Java program is .java. So if I want to save this, press Control S, or simply you can save this file from here also. So the save option is Control S. I'm just pressing Control S. And inside this, I am just naming it, let's say pro1.java. So each and every Java file you will be creating with .java extension, and press enter or save it. So here you can see this file is saved here in this folder programs, pro1.java, and pro1.java it is. This particular video was concerned towards setting path of Java, so I have already told it. And I have also told you that how you can open your folder into the Atom or VS Code or Sublime. The procedure is same whichever IDE or code editor you are using. So for this video, I am keeping till here only. But from the next video, I am going to start the practical implementation of Java codes with the basic syntax till the advanced things we will be moving. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the notification bell so you will be getting the notifications of my latest uploads. And don't forget to check the playlist section, because in the playlist section, you are going to get numerous amount of courses and playlists uploaded for you related to Python and all. So see you all in the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.